Fix Messenger app not working problem solved. 2026 Guide Messenger is frozen, crashing on open, or just showing a blank white screen, and you have absolutely no idea why. Here is the truth. This is one of the most common and most fixable app problems on mobile right now. And in the next 2.5 minutes, I am going to give you the exact steps that are actually solving this in 2026, so you can stop wasting time and get back to your conversations fast. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are running through a complete fix guide for Messenger not working on mobile. Whether the app will not open, keeps crashing, messages are stuck on sending, or notifications have completely stopped showing up, we are covering all of it. This works for both iPhone and Android. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Completely close Messenger and reopen it. Do not just tap the home button. On Android, swipe it fully off your recent apps screen. On iPhone, swipe up, find Messenger and flick it away, then reopen it fresh. This alone fixes more Messenger glitches than people expect and takes 5 seconds. Step 2. Check if Messenger is actually down on Meta's end. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com and search Messenger. If there is an active outage, nothing on your phone will fix it and you simply have to wait. If everything looks normal on their end, the issue is your device and we keep going. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Toggle your Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch over to mobile data and try opening Messenger again. Open a browser and load any website just to confirm your connection is actually working. A weak or dropping connection is responsible for more Messenger issues than most people realize. Step 4. Fully restart your phone. Not just lock the screen, an actual restart. This clears background memory and system processes that silently interfere with apps. On Android, hold the power button and tap restart. On iPhone, do a force restart by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Step 5. Clear Messenger's cache on Android. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find Messenger, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Corrupted cache is one of the top causes of Messenger crashes in 2026, and clearing it takes 10 seconds without deleting a single message. On iPhone, the equivalent is to offload the app from settings, then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Step 6. Update the app. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search Messenger, and if an update button is showing, tap it right now. Meta pushes frequent bug fixes, and an outdated version of Messenger in 2026 is a guaranteed source of problems. While you are at it, check if your phone's operating system needs an update too. Go to Settings and check for any available software updates, because compatibility between your OS and the latest Messenger version matters more than most people think. Step 7. If nothing has worked yet, uninstall Messenger completely and reinstall it from scratch. Delete it fully from your device, go to your App Store, download it fresh, log back into your account, and let it set up clean. This eliminates any corrupted installation files that no other fix can touch. Here is your pro tip. Go into your phone settings and turn on automatic updates for Messenger specifically. The single biggest cause of Messenger problems in 2026 is people running outdated versions of the app without realizing it. Enabling auto updates means the app patches itself in the background and you stay ahead of bugs before they ever affect you. On iPhone, find this in App Store settings. On Android, open the Play Store, go to Messenger, tap the three-dot menu, and enable auto update. And that is your complete 2026 fix guide for Messenger not working. To recap, you closed and restarted the app, checked for a server outage, tested your internet, restarted your device, cleared the cache, updated the app and your OS, and did a clean reinstall as the final step. Run through those in order, and one of them is going to solve your problem. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward fix guides every week. And drop a comment below telling me which step actually worked for you. Your answer could save someone else watching this the exact same headache.